What's up YouTube? We're back with a new video. If you haven't liked it already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It'll really help me out. Today we're going to Mitch's. We're gonna go mess with his new beater. We're gonna put some tint on there, go for a cruise later. It'll be a lot of fun, so stay tuned for that. Oh, and also if you guys want to see more of our like stupid stuff that we do, follow us on Twitch. It's actually Mooch's, so it's twitch.tv/mooch30. I'll link it in the description and put it right here too. So go give him a follow and see what we're up to. You might want to check that out, it's sick. So right now I'm gonna go take off the Mitch's and go see what he's up to. Let's go. We at Mitch's. I don't know what the hell he's doing. It's typical. Yep. What's behind you?
Is my shit box.
Your shit box. Purple beater. Damn, you cleaning it all out and shit?
Nah, we're tinting it.
Oh, okay. Damn boy, it's already tinted.
Dark.
This is Mitch's new winter beater. It's a
beater.
Yeah, he actually did. Well, what he did recently, he painted all this stuff and bonded all the rot holes and all that fun stuff. Jesus.
This quarter, you know, it is now a quarter.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
But before, this to here
was completely gone. Yeah.
So that's all bondo.
Typical.
And then as soon as I got done bondoing it,
damn boy. Oh, don't poke more. That's fine. It looks better now. Well, you guys didn't see what it was before. But it does look way better. So yeah, no, it's something.
I'm going to the junkyard on Monday to pick up actual like OEM side skirts for this.
Oh yeah?
So it covers the rod on that side.
Yeah, dude.
And then I'm gonna paint them the same vinyl.
Yeah, whatever the hell you call them.
Do it like that. I'm gonna paint the wheels purple.
Hot, dude.
And then yeah.
That's it, yeah.
This is the cleanest side of it.
Yeah, I know. It's something else.
And I gotta go get that mirror we left at.
Oh yeah, dude. Because right here, well, we went to the junkyard not long ago for Miata shit, but we picked up the mirror and we left it because we got distracted by
a limo.
by a limo.
So dude, I was driving around today, right? And then like I turned the wheel on, like,
what's all that?
I was like, what's that rubbing?
Uh-oh. Oh, you don't need that. There you go. Man, dude. So I heard something happened to this. Oh,
yeah.
Yo, this is bad.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
So you remember on Tuesday or Monday when it was windy?
That's so bad. Yeah, I heard it from Austin.
The basketball hoop went.
So this is Tony's Mini. I don't even know if I showed them this neither, but this is Tony's Mini. Basketball hoop went through the window.
Or basketball.
Something went through the window. Jesus
no, it didn't.
Christ.
This was all fine. It was right here.
Shit.
And then
it just shattered everything, huh?
Yeah. And like I seen the hoop literally laying right next to it. I was like,
Jesus.
Oh, shit, that was close.
Yeah.
And then on the way back, I'm like, oh my god.
Yeah, dude. Holy shit. It just break in here.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Honestly,
it could have been worse.
I'm glad it didn't hit the sunroof.
Yeah. Oh, that too. Yeah, that could have been really bad. I'm surprised there's no.
There's that's it, but that'll
buff out.
Yeah.
Anyways, right now we're just gonna be chilling out and stuff, just cleaning up the purple beater here and putting some tint on that bad boy. And then later, I know we are gonna go for a little cruise with the Turbo Cavalier. I see it right out front there, and the Miata. So that's why I brought it over today. It'll be fun.
Yeah, give it actually a little extra.
Oh god.
We're trying to do this out in the
out in the wind and shit. I mean, you could have probably pulled it in. How much extra you want? It's like tucked into the window. It's gapped again.
Yeah.
God damn it.
Just like.
There you go. Yeah, I'll just hold it.
Just right on the paint.
Yeah. Perfect, dude.
Right where the shoe was.
Look at that shit.
I grow now.
You said to spray the shit out of it. That's you. What the hell's wrong with this thing?
I own it.
It doesn't. God damn it! It doesn't even like it doesn't go back.
Yeah, I know.
This is how we do it.
That's a good system, I mean.
Professional.
All right. Now, as I put it on the other side.
Oh god. I keep kicking shit, dude. I'm horrible. Here we go. All sprayed down. just for you.
Whoa!
Jesus Christ. Wrapping shit in the wind. How,
This is not the way
how
to
are
do
we?
it.
Okay.
Okay, this starts sticking.
Alright. You tell me where to spray.
It's sticking. Spray the window in the film. You sprayed.
It's so, you need to wash your ass, so it's.
Oh, you sprayed my ass.
Ooh, it's very satisfying. All right, Mitch did it. It's all tinted up. That was pretty quick, actually. It's like you're a professional or some shit. Something like that. No, it looks good. I don't think I would tint any more than it's already. You're not gonna see shit, dude.
That's what I want.
It's already.
Well, no, I see it because every winter car I have to tint it because it's like the snow and the bright ass lights hurt my head.
Yeah, excuses for having tint. Yeah, I get it.
Yeah. Has a New York State.
Well, Mitch just got this tinted up in Tinty Boyz out here.
They're honestly not that dark.
No, they're not that dark, but it's not bad. Let's hop in here. Oh God, door sags.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Yeah, you gotta give her a good slam.
You gotta give it a really good slam, huh? Alright, I don't want to break it.
Oh shit! No, actually, don't close.
All I did was open it. What'd I do? You got it. Jesus Christ, dude. You should probably fix that. Get some hinges. Get the, oh, and I locked the steering wheel too. God damn it, dude. I can't win with this goddamn thing. No. So this is Mitch's beater. You guys like it? It only has 110,000 miles.
Honestly, at this point, I'm not even sure that's accurate.
100 and something thousand miles. It has a new radio in it. He put this in. It's all tinted up in here. I'm scared to get out of here. I don't want to open the door. All right, we're gonna go get some coffee real quick. Letting that back window dry.
Let that marinate.
Yeah, something like that. So we're gonna quickly go get some coffee. Hop in the Miata. Hell yeah, that's how you get in. You just. Bow. I got a leaf in here.
You got another one too.
Start this bitch up.
Pow!
Uh-oh. All right, I got my coffee from Timmy's hose. Just still, it's windy as shit today, dude. It's bad, but the weather is nice. Got the, wow, this thing is so tiny. Got the Miata up in here.
I thought my car was small.
No, yeah, this thing is tiny. What? Don't look at that. Don't look at my gapping. But I do have a badge on it.
$70 on you, right?
Honestly. Yeah.
What's that, Cameron? Is that a foot mark?
Don't worry about that. When I was at Austin's, I ran up behind it, just jumped up, hopped in. It's a Miata, dude. You gotta do this shit. Yeah, I did a decent job at it.
Last time you didn't shave it, it was all fucking...
It needs more, but... I know. I have... It's a perfect opportunity right now, but you know.
You are at the Klitsky's Custom.
Yeah, it's fine. How's this looking? It's looking. All right, we got the Miata in the driveway here. We might wrap the windows real quick. I gotta scrape off all these little stickers and stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do right now and clean them all up, and then we can start tinting those. Maybe I'll do the, if Mitch has like electrical tape, I'll do the little cross in the headlight. That'd be sick. All right, now I'm gonna spray everything down. Damn, looks better already. And just start scraping these. Oh yeah, that works. I didn't even know the sticker was on, by the way. Hell yeah. And all these stickers off. I gotta do the inside now. I hope that wasn't on the phone. No, I wasn't. All that glue off. Ow, I just stabbed myself. Alright, I'm gonna get the rest of the stickers off real quick, and then we're gonna start tinting this bit. Alright, ready for this shit? We'll make it mint. Oh god. You know what, I should pop the hood if I'm gonna do this shit. It would be smarter.
What are you painting? Why don't you just take them off?
Can I? I don't know how they... Oh yeah, they do come off.
Screws.
Yo, I'm just dumb.
I had them off before.
Yo, you're right. Oh, my camera stopped recording. But I got these out. All mint. I'm gonna paint them up black so it'll look real good.
Fucking yeah. That's the dollar store stuff.
Dollar store shit for the dollar store car.
I haven't had anyone to cruise with like that has like a car.
Yeah, I have car.
Yeah, I know. All right, I gotta go poop.
Yeah, you do that, man. This guy is running. Huh?
I got an axle for her mom's car. I just want to see what magnet I got.
Damn, boy, it's already fresh.
Hopefully the wash doesn't rip the paint off.
Oh, I know. Well, we're gonna let it dry.
Yeah.
For a hot minute here.
Hey, I got cardboard for you.
Hell yeah. It's too late now.
Is it a Cavalier? No way. Dude, it's a Monty. Guys, everyone, this is Justin's built Monte Carlo from Rock Auto Parts.
Damn, boy. So much better. They're actually black. Let me put the head down. Yeah, boy. So much better. Mitch is taking a poopy right now, so I'm gonna wait on him and then we're gonna tint my windows real quick and then go for a ride. So yeah, it'll be a lot of fun. We're just chilling out right now, cleaning up the Miata a little bit. Then we're gonna go, when we go for that ride, we're gonna go wash the cars. We got Turbo Cavalier over there too, and make a nice little edit. If you guys haven't liked the video already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe because it really helps me out. So, windows are clean and everything. Mitch and I, well, I'm gonna attempt to try tinting the window. Mitch and I are gonna do these real quick, see how this comes out.
You got extra?
Want me to wrap the whole thing?
No, we're gonna have to do that and stuff.
Yeah, I gotta
pull it to wherever
I
you
can't
need
pull
it.
Damn, boy. So I'll update you guys when we get a little further here. See how this side turns out. Hello? Hello? Hey, what you doing? You want to go for a ride with me and Mitch? Well, I got the Miata. He's bringing the Turbo Cav right over there. So if you want to bring the Mini. Oh. Yeah. All right. So come on over at Mitch's. We're just tinting the windows of the Miata. Well, that was Austin. He's gonna be on his way.
After he's done pooping.
Yeah, after he's done pooping to come here, and we're going for that ride, make a nice edit. It's gonna be dope. That was easy.
How does it look from the outside?
It looks hella fresh, dude.
Hella dark, boy.
Yeah, it is dark. All right, yeah. So we're gonna do that little window now. Finish up this side, then we'll move to the other side, and it'll be hella fresh. All right, we're gonna go get some food and go for a ride, get some gas. We got Austin right there. Got the Turbo Cavalier started in his car. Look at that. Wow, power steering. What's that? Wow. Damn, boy. You ready? Yeah. You ready? All right, so we're gonna...
I gotta grab my mask.
We got the Miata, the Mini, and the Cavalier running. What if I just park it over there? What if I just took it on him? I can't fit. He sits so fucking close. Yo, this feels... How does he drive this, dude?
I don't know.
It's disgusting. Yo, like my knees are in the dash. Hey, I'm gonna try something. Am I in gear? Yo, I don't know how to drive this car at all. We'll pull it up on him. I don't know if I'm in neutral. Okay, I let out the clutch and didn't stall. Hey, how you doing, boss? Hey, how you doing? Where's the cab?
It's right there.
Oh yeah, there's another Cavalier there too, yeah.
I'm surprised you guys moved that pile.
I moved it, yeah. You sit way too close and I can't find gears. You need bushings, dude. I cannot find a gear in your car.
Yeah, it's a finesse kind of thing.
Do you need gas too?
We'll go gas and then we'll go rip to the car wash.
Okay, I'm done. Let's go. There we go. We got the Miata chilling here. What's going on here? No. Oh, they accept cars?
Dude, there's a fucking dryer. It's a dryer.
Yo, that's sick. Hell yeah.
Dude, this is badass.
Yeah, dude. They accept card. We didn't have to worry about it. That's sick. You got to change it over.
Oh,
whoa, it's splurged.
Not gonna wipe it down first?
So I'm gonna add this edit at the end of the video. We just finished up washing the cars. Now we're gonna go get something to eat, and then we're gonna go to a different spot and get some dope ass shots. We got them all cleaned up, all running, all good to go. We just gotta go. We're gonna get some Burger King real quick. Uh-oh, I didn't do it, Ossifer. We got Mitch right in front of me. I'm driving the Murr. Austin right behind me. It's so loud, that car. And I'm waiting for a good pop. my god. Damn, dude. You got an extra mask to borrow. We're gonna go get some food real quick. You eat something? We got our clean cars here. Somewhat. Alright. I'm gonna get in your side.
My butthole's itchy.
What?
Just let one rip. Real loud. Dude, it's broke off.
This guy literally went a solid minute straight just shitting himself. Dude, we're just in the middle of Burger King trying to eat.
Trying to eat and enjoy our food.
And this dude is just letting it go.
I see him.
Yo. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's way too loud. Oh, you hear this shit? Oh my god. That was...
Dude, I can't hear myself think.
That was too loud. Yo.
Like, I cannot hear myself think.
You're insane.
Picture set up.
We can park right down here. Just in the middle. Yeah, right in the middle, and we could get a dope ass picture.
Do you still want to do
You in the middle, and then me and Cam can, like...
Okay. Yeah, we could also go to the very top too. All right, guys, that's it to the video. We just got to the Galleria. Try to get some shots here. Let's get some pictures and stuff. It's awesome. So I'm just gonna end this video here. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. One more thing, if you guys haven't checked out the stream, go check it out. Links in the description. Twitch.tv/mooch 3530. So go check it out. Links in the description. And guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.